Welcome back to your daily dose of discovery. Let's unravel today's intriguing question.
Static noise in AirPods might result from a variety of issues such as interference from other electronic devices, dirt or earwax buildup, or a malfunction within the AirPods themselves. To address this, start by cleaning your AirPods carefully, ensuring no debris is blocking the speakers. Resetting the AirPods and reconnecting them to your device can also help. If the problem persists, try turning off Wi-Fi or Bluetooth on other devices nearby to check if interference was the cause. If issues continue, it might be time to consult an authorized service provider.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.